Okay, so it's great to be here talking with Uniqca Powell, the true Brightwood Realtor, as she calls herself. And we're going to ask you a few questions today.
Sure.
So, first of all, you say you've been on your bio and on your website, you say you've been in the real estate business for 18 years. Tell us a little bit about how you got started and what you've been doing all that time.
Yeah. Well, actually, I guess you could say I was born with a real estate spoon in my mouth. I was actually raised up in a 10-bedroom home in the Brightwood neighborhood where my father actually rented rooms out for the first 23 years of my life. Watching that actually gave me hands-on training from my youth.
So maybe it's been more than 18 years that you've been affiliated with real estate.
Yeah.
So when did you actually become a realtor?
So actually, interestingly, I was working in the Bethesda area for a mortgage banking firm where we focused on multifamily properties, primarily did some commercial as well as your independent care facilities, nursing homes, and that was on the back end. So I worked in the underwriting department, the closing department, on the inside for multifamily properties. So they gave me an additional 10 years. While I was on that job, I got my real estate license to sell residential properties. Actually, I got it a year before I left that firm.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah.
And then since then, you've been working as a realtor?
Yes, ma'am.
Wow.
Yes, ma'am. It's been 18 and almost a half years.
Well, we could probably talk about this later, but I think many would like to know what made you make that transition.
Well, while I enjoyed working with multifamily properties, and no doubt being in a 10-bedroom home was also a number of people that I was dealing with all at one time. But I realized that I like dealing with people on a one-on-one basis, helping them out individually. But my actual premise for doing that is because my husband and I were actually involved with investing in real estate. And I found that I really enjoyed it.
Nice, very nice. So you call yourself a distressed properties real estate professional?
Yes, I do.
What is that? What does that mean?
Remember, this is Uniqca Powell, the distressed properties real estate professional, working hard to help you to get through your distressing situation. And remember, Uniqca lives Brightwood, Uniqca works Brightwood, Uniqca loves Brightwood. Talk to you soon.